Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where we're watching this video, today we're gonna have a Haitian Creole class. Okay? Before beginning, let me just take a sip of water. Alright, today we're gonna be learning some very useful words in Haitian Creole. Okay? These words are basically the days of the week. Jeudi, nous allons apprendre comment on dit en créole haïtien quelques mots qui sont importants en pile. Mot si la yo, c'est jour dans semaine nan. So how do you say the days of the week in Haitian Creole? Come over. The first one that we have here, how do you say it? Lundi, lundi, lundi. Notice that the way that I pronounce the D sound, which is a little bit different. D, D. Do you see the way I pronounce the D sound? The D sound in Haitian Creole is different from the D sound in English. If you had to use the English pronunciation, the American pronunciation, you would say lundi, lundi, lundi. But Haitian folks do not say it that way. We say lundi, z, d. Like there is a little z near the d sound. It is basically the I that influences the d sound, okay, which is a dental sound. So you say lundi, 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 lundi. Okay, not lundi, which is French. The second one, what do you say? You say mardi, mardi, mardi. The third one, what do you say? Mercredi, mercredi. So when you have this accent above the E, generally in English, the E is going to be pronounced eh. You say mercredi, like you say bad, bad, mad, mercredi, mercredi, mercredi. The fourth one that we have here, jeudi, 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 Okay, the fifth one, vendredi, 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 vendredi. Okay, the sixth one, samedi, 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 samedi. And the seventh one, dimanche, 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 dimanche. Let's go over all of them. Monday would be Monday, lundi, Monday. Mardi, today. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. Dimanche, Sunday. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Qui l'a fait? Moi, t'ai fait yon mercredi. Jeudi, c'est qui joue? What's the date today? Jeudi, c'est yon jeudi. Demain, à vendredi. Hier, t'es mercredi. Avant hier, the day before yesterday. Avant hier, t'es yon mardi. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Robin Jean for Self-Test Polyglot. I hope to catch you the next video in Haitian Creole, my YouTube channel and Facebook. Bye bye.